Thank you. Just a brief response regarding the, if you want to call it the lower court record. I would point out that the people were not there at the probation violation hearing, and what happened was that nobody was given any opportunity to put any record on there. What Judge Nicholson did was she just, on her own, and like I put in my original brief, acting like a prosecutor, she just decided to go put some stuff on the record of her own observations. It's her opinion. That wasn't any, there wasn't any hearing involved there. This was just her opinion about WWAM. And, Your Honor, it's what kind of position am I in? How can I even attack this? The people want to put me into a position to say, or my client into a position to say, look, well, we've got this lower court record and we just need to accept it. Well, you know, this is a very unique case, and given the circumstances, that record was done, in my opinion, illegally. Now, I probably would have briefed that out, but I didn't have time. And if Your Honor wants me to brief out any other additional issues because I wasn't allowed, or I did not, I physically could not answer this in time, but certainly I would take that, if we want to call it a record, I wouldn't call it that. I would call it the judge's opinion, because that's how she put it in her opinion afterwards. She made her own findings. She didn't allow us any ability to put our findings on there, because I would have brought somebody right in there from the WWAM program. I would have brought those deputies in there when they're dressed up like they're like sheriffs, because that's what they are, and I'd put them right on the stand and go, sir, is this what you wear when you're, you know, watching these kids? And the thing is that it's this. I know we're getting back into this argument of free to leave and all this other stuff. It's just so unbelievable, Your Honor. It's just an unbelievable situation. And you know, the lower court did not follow your order. It was very specific. We had this hearing already once, and now we're talking about a new record. I don't even think that the lower court was allowed to do that. The people who apparently weren't the party in the first one, they're self-imposed non-party status, didn't bother to do this on the second one and argue it. So I don't think the judge's duty in the lower court is to play prosecutor and make issues and then rule on them without even giving anybody an opportunity to respond. And for those reasons and all these other reasons, Your Honor, please, Your Honor, find that Mr. Sowell does not have to do these WWAM weekends for him and every other kid out there who's had to do them. Thank you.